Imagine arriving in Las Vegas with you and your group, ready for an unforgettable holiday? With 707rentals.com, you will have the best luxury bookings. Take a look to our log cabin estate, just 6 miles from the Strip, a true hidden gem. This expansive 1-acre property is our private oasis, complete with a stunning backyard. The spacious log cabin casita welcomes us, with cozy bunk beds for the kids and a futon for extra guests. With 5 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, we can comfortably host up to 10 guests. After settling in, we dive into the inviting pool, soaking up the sun, and later we challenge each other on the basketball court, laughter echoing around us. The best part? We're close enough to the vibrant energy of the Strip, yet we have our own serene retreat to unwind. This is where cherished memories are made. Let's reserve our stay and experience the allure of the log cabin estate together. Don't forget to like and subscribe.